Alright, so let's talk about what's shaping up to be one of the biggest Android releases of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And honestly, this one might just change the entire game for Android flagships, because this isn't just another yearly spec bump or a fancy camera refresh. This feels like Samsung's going all in. The leaks are already wild. We're talking One UI 8.5 running on top of Android 15 with the next generation of Galaxy AI baked right in. And from what insiders are saying, this AI isn't just here to assist you. It's learning how you use your phone, predicting what you're about to do, and basically acting like your digital sidekick. It's less smartphone, more mind reader. And yeah, I know that sounds like marketing talk, but this time it might actually be true. The entire experience is rumored to feel smoother, more personal, and honestly, a lot more human. Some people are already calling it Samsung's most intelligent phone yet, the kind of upgrade that could even make a few iPhone users start second-guessing their life choices. Now let's talk about the cameras because this is where things get really spicy. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. The Galaxy S26 Ultra reportedly went head-to-head with the Oppo Find X9 Pro, and that showdown had every tech nerd on the internet arguing in comment sections. Oppo's packing the huge 200-megapixel sensor, while Samsung's betting everything on AI-powered image processing this year. So it's basically hardware muscle versus software brains. And the big question is, which approach wins? But Samsung's not just focusing on the Ultra this time. New leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Pro might be getting a serious glow-up too. We're talking a titanium frame and an anti-reflective display, two features that were previously Ultra exclusives. So if this turns out to be true, Samsung's basically leveling the playing field and giving the Pro lineup a much more premium vibe. And then there's the design. Man, this thing looks clean. One of the latest renders shows the S26 Ultra in this stunning cosmic orange finish. It's bold but not obnoxious, classy without being boring. The matte texture gives it that subtle grip while still looking sleek, and the way the camera layout blends into the frame looks like something straight out of sci-fi design school. It's not screaming for attention, it's just quietly flexing. Behind the scenes, Samsung's already testing the global firmware build for One UI 8.5, version U0G6, if you're into that kind of detail. That tells us Samsung's laser-focused on making this thing run buttery smooth, stable, and ridiculously optimized. You can feel that they're not rushing anything this year. And honestly, that's what makes this launch feel different. The Galaxy S26 Ultra doesn't seem like just another phone. It feels like Samsung's pulling off a full-blown comeback, a reset of how their flagships are supposed to feel. Less gimmick, more polish. Less evolution, more transformation. So yeah, 2025 might just be the year Samsung stops chasing trends and starts defining them again. But what do you think? Is this the true comeback Samsung fans have been waiting for, or are we just getting lost in the hype train again? Let me know down below, and if you're as curious as I am to see what this beast can actually do, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this story's just getting started.